Welcome to VAL'S Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a dish of tandoori pork chops. Yes, tandoori pork chops. So these are my marinated pork chops. So it is like, if you weigh it, it is like 1 kg. Okay, over here. So it's like I got around 5 chops, and I have marinated it overnight with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and vinegar and salt to taste. Okay, so vinegar I added around 2 tablespoon of vinegar for this, salt to taste, and I marinated this for overnight. Okay, so now this is there. Now we will make a tandoori masala. So for that we need some Kashmiri red chili powder, some cumin powder. So this is homemade pepper powder, homemade cumin powder, some roasted chickpea flour, that is chana atta. Then I have taken some crushed cardamoms, 3, crushed little bit of cinnamon, a pinch of turmeric powder. I have taken this crushed caraway seeds, that is it's like shahi jeera. So I have taken like half teaspoon of that and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'll be using mustard oil and few drops of lime juice. Let's start. So first of all, we will take our 2 tablespoon of this oil. So we'll take this mustard oil, 2 this size teaspoon actually. So sometimes the spoons are like various sizes. So I'm taking around 1 and 2, but like heaped lot. Now we will add our Kashmiri red chili powder, that is this size, teaspoon of 2. Kashmiri red chili powder only gives the color and not spicy. So if you can see this, now mix this together and this will give us a nice red color. Please note, because it is pork, we are not adding yogurt, and we have added vinegar and also little bit of lime. Now we will add to this pepper powder, which I am taking 2 teaspoon of this, 1, 2. And 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. So this is all done. Now we will add all this. Whatever is there, we will add all this in this. So this is done. Mix this all nicely. Add salt to taste for this. Please note that we have already added salt for our pork chops. Now we will add our lime juice little bit. Mix again. Salt to taste. See the color, it's red. So this is nicely mixed. Now we will add it to our pork chops and marinate it nicely. You put your hand, you will have to put this hand and apply this nicely to this. All very nicely. See that nothing remains, and you use every bit of this masala. And we will marinate this for minimum 4 hours, or you can keep it for overnight. I used the maximum. So you can cover this and we'll leave this for overnight or 4 hours. It's up to you. I will keep this for 4 hours because I want to have this for today's dinner. So this will go in the fridge, and then I will show you the grilling part. So now I have kept my oven for preheating for on 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then I will for 10 minutes I will be grilling this tandoori pork chops for on 250 degrees, and then after 10 minutes I will bring it to 200. Okay, so total cooking time will be 30 minutes for this in the oven. So let's marinate. Take pieces, go on this. They're quite big one. So here it is all set to go in the oven to cook. My oven is ready, so now I will put it in the oven. So 20 minutes on 250 I will keep this for 20 minutes, and then later I will bring it to 10 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, then I will flip-flop it the other side, check it if it is done, and relish it. So I will show you the result, final result later. Now let it get cooked. So now this is 10 minutes done, and it is getting nicely cooked. So now so you can see that it's getting cooked. Okay, so now I will make it on 200 to 180. So I will get the temperature now to, actually I will bring it to 180 and let it get cooked for another 20 minutes on this. Okay, so at 10 minutes I did it on 250 degrees Celsius high. I had preheated on 250 only, and then now I am keeping it on 180. 150, 60, 70, 80. So here it comes 180. So this is 180. So you can see my finger. 180. After that is 200. So it's 180 for another 20 minutes. So let it get cooked from inside also. And here are my final result. My chops are ready to eat. You can serve it with French fries, salad, green salad, whatever it is, and enjoy your. It's hot. It's done both the side. If you want more crispy, then keep it more in oven for another 10 to 20 minutes. Total 30 minutes is cooking time, as I have mentioned it. But you can do your grilling whichever way you want. You can pan fry it also, but it will take little bit more time on pan. So slow fire pan fry, you can do that. But oven is the best for especially pork chops. So this is my tandoori pork chops. Hope you will like this. I will try to cut one small piece and show you. You can see this now, yeah. So it is cooked. And this is the sauce which I am going to dip it and have this. And here it is. The mustard oil, the tandoori masala is very tasty. Thank you so much, and hope you will all enjoy this as we are going to enjoy this. Thank you.